Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. I hope you all are doing well out there. Today I'm going to be creating wall decor using platters from the Dollar Tree. I'll first be starting off by covering the wall with black poster boards that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, there's a breaker box located in the middle of the wall, and I'll be cutting around it so the owner can still open and close it. And by the way, I know you guys have noticed because I noticed my hair looks terrible. But this is why it looks this way, because I put Christmas tree branches in it. But okay, back to the DIY. I am folding the paper over and I'm creating a door, and I'm going to be attaching the paper to the door. And of course, you can skip this step if you're not trying to cover your breaker box. And now that everything is cut in place, I am going to be using double-sided tape to attach the poster board to the breaker box. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it looks very patchy and it looks very all over the place right now, but I promise it's gonna come together. So what I'm doing right now is measuring where I want the platters to be. And this was kind of tricky because I wanted to make sure that I glued a platter directly on top of the breaker box area, just so I'm able to open and close it after. Now I'll be gluing a platter on each side. And these platters will be going in between the other platters. And make sure when you're adding the hot glue, make sure you're putting it around the brim of the plate, and that's because you don't want to melt the center of the plate with the hot glue. And now I'm going to continue to work my way down. I'm going to do a row of 2 and then go in between, and it'll be a row of 3 and so on. I'm going to be cutting this platter in half, and I'm going to be using it to cover the spaces on each side. Now I'm just eyeballing this, but you can always take a marker and draw a line down the middle to get an even cut. And this plate is still too wide, so I'm going to cut it down just a little bit more. And now it fits perfectly. And I cut another plate to add to the top. And one more to add to the bottom. Now I'll be turning the platter sideways and cutting it in half, and these plates will be going on the top. And this is how you should be adding your glue. And this is how it turned out. I love the outcome. It's very different. I don't think I've seen anything like it before. And I forgot to show you guys, but the breaker box actually opens and closes, so the owner definitely can get in and out of there with no problem. And I love that I was able to cover the lines of the poster boards. Thank you all for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this video. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell. See you later, Glitter Babes.